Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and this is the trailer for the Patreon exclusive video for the month of December. For this month, we are doing the Tulip Paracord bracelet. This is a design by Barbara Schwartz, which is the modified Luna's waterfall. This one came out nicely in this green, goldenrod, and red theme with a nice accent going down the middle. We did this one knot and loop style as usual, with a slightly different way to lead into the diamond knot. So I hope all you Patreon weavers will enjoy this one. So for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to help support this channel. And for the super low price of $3 per month, you can get access to over 35 exclusive tutorials as well as a new video every month. Also, you'll get access to the Weavers of Eternity Discord server where we hang out, share pictures of our work, and all that great stuff. So that being said, a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. You guys are the best and are really helping to ensure the future of this channel. If you would like to support the Weavers of Eternity on Patreon, links to my Patreon page will be linked in the video as well as the description box down below. I thank you for even considering.